Hello everyone, my name is Maria Shandorova and I'm responsible for product development at Inphinity. This Technical Tuesday video is quite special, and the reason is that it starts where the previous one ends. So if you haven't watched the previous one, please do it now. The main goal of these two videos is to recreate this cool application about categorization of beer. Inphinity Flow is used here in quite creative way to visualize not a process, but a hierarchy instead. The main technical challenge we will go through in this video is that we will create a data model that enables you a drill down analytics through this hierarchy. And that means that the user can start on the highest level and by clicking on different nodes, deep dive into different parts of a hierarchy. As you may notice, the main logic behind this approach is to use levels. And when I click on this specific node, the selection has been changed. Let's do it in our app. This is where the previous video ends. So we have styles and substyles, no level yet. To have the full hierarchy, we also want to add a new dimension, let's call it area, that will contain this text thirsty. And we need to add this new dimension level. My current rows containing the full information about the step style will be categorized as level 3, as the lowest level within the hierarchy. For level 1 and 2, I will create new rows. So level 2 will contain area and style, and substyle will be empty. And level 1 will be the area itself, with nothing in style nor substyle. This approach for joining types, no types, will not work anymore, so we will define types manually here. To have the same visual results, it will be decision. On level 2, we will have connector. And activity for level 3. Let's load it. Obviously, we now need to redefine what is node ID and node label. So let me copy and paste this simple expression. Thanks to that, on level 1, it will use area, on level 2, the field style will be used, and on level 3, substyle. The same for our labels. Based on our previous logic, we are now missing the connection between this main node and styles. So let's enhance the click script in more general way. So what we want to create is a new table that will define lines. And we want lines from our area to every single style we have in our data model. it needs to be defined only once, therefore this distinct. And we want to add lines from styles to substyles. That's it. But where is my drill down? And the answer is, it's not yet here. For a drill down logic, we need to expand this table a bit more. The trick is to create a new rows with the same level containing information from the previous level. That means I will create a new row for level 3 containing the same information as is in the level 2. To have the drill down approach also between level 1 and 2, I will create a new row for level 2 with the same information as is in the level 1. Yes, adding this approach to already existing data model can be very tricky, and you need to be very careful when implementing this because what it can cause to your KPIs and measures. The best is to start developing the application with this approach in mind. Let's try it. And this definitely is not I wanted because I have some empty node here, and the reason is this empty value. And hopefully it helps. Great. But it's not yet what I want. There is one more modification that needs to be done here in the definition of node ID. And that's to say that if style is null, also on level 2, area should be used instead. Let me zoom it in for you. And if substyle is null, then use what's here in style definition. Otherwise, use substyle. And again, the same for labels. When I click on the first level, on the thirsty, both level 1 and level 2 are selected because this area thirsty is defined for both of them. Infinity Flow is a really cool visualization, but from a technical perspective, it's nothing else than 2 hypercubes behind it. When you open this menu, you can see the one hypercube for nodes and the second one for lines. Therefore, this magic, when it comes to drill down, works also within Click Native table. It's nothing special for Inphinity Flow. When I select thirsty here, I will see only data from level 1 and level 2. And drill down deeper within my hierarchy. Okay, let's add also these measures or additional text to my notes. Would you like a beer and a list of beers? Since only one value is assigned to level 1, this expression will work. And otherwise, let's redesign it a bit. There was a pivot table with style, substyle, and beer. Count beer as a test. I don't need to include null values. Let's add a cool picture, thanks to which you would like to have a beer now. And because of the user experience, I used also buttons to navigate through this drill down functionality. In the section Actions and Navigation, as the first step, I clear all selections, and as the second step, I will select specific level for Start, Overview, as well as Details. And when you want to see the whole hierarchy, you just need to clear all selections. Since this is a Click Native functionality and this video is long enough so far, I won't do that in my application, but I'm pretty sure that you know how it works and how to create and finish this app. I really hope you found these 2 videos very helpful, that you will explore Inphinity Flow by yourself, and look forward to next TechTuesday video. Until then, enjoy Flow!